Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you've had a chance to craft. So I'm just catching up this morning. Thank you for all the lovely messages and everything on Facebook. It really made my morning when I went on and saw everything. So as I say, thank you for all of the support, guys. Thank you for every comment, like, share. It really, really is appreciated. So I thought I would do this little project for you today. This is the hugs card, and it's the Peace, Love, Joy and Hugs set. So I'm on the Facebook group at the moment, so I'm just going to click on the link, she says, and this will open up on the website. So every time I post something, I put a little link on so you can find everything nice and easily. But what we're going to do is, if you haven't got the link, this is the website address. You can find it at the top of the Facebook group. You can find it at the top of my personal Facebook page. So if you're ever looking for anything and you can't find it, go on there and you'll find the link to the website. So at the top of the website, there's all these different categories. So whether you're looking for toppers, papers, fussy cuts, the flower former sheets, just have a look at the top here and it'll tell you what you need to click on to find this section that you like. So I'm going to go to Christmas, and this is everything Christmas. And there's quite a few designs here, so just flicking through. I think the one I want is on page 2. So that's it here. So I'm just going to click on that, and that'll show you what's included in the kit. So you have got your peace, joy, love and hugs. You have your insert sheet. You have your polka dot backing paper with some little poinsettia flower formers down the bottom. So you get 4 toppers, 1 insert, 1 polka dot paper, 1 background, 1 poinsettia background and 3 poinsettia sheets. So that was a mouthful. Here's the kit here. If you scroll down, you will have what the kits are called, what it contains, how to print stuff, what our returns policy is, angel policy, and then I also put in little links for specific projects on Facebook, on my YouTube channel, so you can find. This is to try and make everything as user friendly and as easy to find as possible. So scrolling right down, what I tend to do is I have a design team samples area where our amazing design team send us pictures of cards that they've made using my designs, and I'll put these here so you always have a point of reference to go back to if you just need a little bit of further inspiration to know what to make with a kit. So we'll pop that to one side. I also used on the card some glossy accents, some platinum and some crystal stickles. And I also went to grab for my prills and I couldn't find them, so I used my gold micro beads for using the corner of the poinsettia. So this poinsettia was the one cut out of the poinsettia sheet. We have the insert here, the toppers from the kit, the backing papers from the kit, and then I've just used some of my little print cut and foam ivy leaves. I've got the variegated and the dark green here, and then just some beautiful little gold die cuts. This is an embossing folder from Spellbinders called Forever Green that I've just gone over with a white ink pad just to highlight the embossed effect. I went over the hugs here with the glossy accents, and then I've decorated the flowers at the bottom. So I just wanted to go in a little bit more in depth so you can see what I'd used on these. So without further ado, I'll get started with the time lapse. I really hope you like this video. If you do, please consider giving it a like, leave us a comment, and if you can, please subscribe. If you subscribe with the notification bell on, then YouTube will let you know when I upload the next video. So thank you very, very much. I will put everything that you need to know in the description box and in the first comment on YouTube. So without further ado, here we go. Thank you.